Picture this. It's 2 a.m. in the morning in MBZU AI lab. You have a project deadline tomorrow. You know exactly what to predict, but you're stuck choosing between 10 different algorithms.
We've all been there. So we decided to create an AI that actually thinks about your problem using local LLMs and our famous K2 reasoning. It becomes your intelligence research partner.
Model Navigator Hub, the AI powered MLOps platform.
Designed for MBZUI community by MBZUI community. My name is Mohammed Abu Jafar. I was just an accountant before enrolling to the MAI program, while my project classmate here is a data analytics expert.
This is Asma Janebi. We're both students in Mohammed bin Zayed University for AI as part of its inaugural MAAI class of 2025.
Most of the projects follow the same painful pattern, 20% in the ML problem, 80% on tooling and infrastructure. Everyone kept asking the same questions in our class.
So we asked as well, what if an AI platform could understand your plain English and it could guide you through the full ML life cycle?
We didn't just build another AutoML tool. We built an intelligent guide, something that understands your research goal in plain English and walks you through the entire machine learning lifecycle.
Without further ado, Mohammed, let's dive in.
Let's start with something real. Something, let's say you're working on education research, something our faculty or students, researchers actually care about, or you can simply use from those drop-down lists. They are tailored examples for you to know what our platform is capable of. Now, let's say analyze the students' feedback sentiments to improve course quality. And before I confirm my goal or I describe how this beautiful interface works, it's not just for show. Behind the scenes, we are using Phi3, a local LLM, to interpret your intents. And here we have a device profiler, actually, that auto-detects your system specs and help us suggest the proper routes for you later on at a later stage. I'll confirm my goal here, where we have the intent recognition. Intent recognition here is where we try to understand your goal, identify the proper ML family, and recommend the routes for you. In this case, NLP sentiment analysis was suggested, so we can move on to the route selection.
Later on, our users are given two options. There are two execution paths. One is a fully offline route called secure local route, and the other one is intelligent bootstrap mode, where the model calls Hugging Face to call certain candidate models, transformer based, and they download them once and they get cached for later on.
Proceed. Yeah. So here, I think we have an issue with the code, Professor. And again, since this video is only for you, it's fine. So we are going to fix I would say here there is something we need to fix, unknown and defined.
The overall idea that it would initially suggest some models. Yeah?
Yes. And those are actually the models that you can encache or download from Hugging Face directly. It's connected to Hugging Face. Now, I would rather, if you don't mind now, Asma, I'll go back to the secure route. Or you know what? Let's go with this and see how it goes. Now, this is the data page. Data page, there are templates you can download. You can upload your data sets and you can generate synthetic data. They are all linked to the original intents. So even the templates here you can download, it will consider the data or the intent it got, identified. Let's say 1,000 row in here. It will generate the data, validate it, encrypt it for privacy purposes, and it will upload it to a storage and get it ready for analysis.
Which is perfectly aligned with our first stage of MLOps, making the data available and pre-processing it.
Yeah. So here in the data splits, we have some ideas for phase 2, where some numbering can be input in here instead of just the sliders, but we try to make it fun. So the sliders actually dynamically change each other. Here we have some reprocessing features where we can normalize numbers or auto-select features or fill missing data. And so this is where we can have the research methods, some cross-validation folds, or the time if in case we don't have, or in case we have a limited time of budget. So we can choose the models. Those are the one recommended actually from Pi 3 at the earlier stages. We will run the AutoML. And here we can look at the dashboard results. We can look at key metrics and recommendation from the system on each one with the performance radar comparing all of them. On phase 2, we are planning to have this visually better, where we can see everything at a glance, because we want to ensure that all the trade-offs between choosing the models is displayed properly. And of course, on the deployment side, which is a part of our MLOps, we can come in here, generate fast APIs, Flask apps, or maybe just download the model itself. And of course, that's the phase 2, Professor Mansour. We hope to get this done before the deadline of the project. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you for my classmate Asma for all the efforts. And it has been actually a very great experience.
Thank you.